Okay, hello. Boys and girls, please follow my step here. Now we're entering into the workshop of DERSION company. So firstly, you can see there is a laser cutting machine. Okay. In this area, we store the steel plate here in these shelves. And we use the forklift to load the steel plates into this laser cutting machine. Okay, please follow me. Now you can see the engineer is upload the drawings into this laser cutting machine, and then it's automatic cut the laser. So through this door, you can see the laser cutting machine is functioning according to the drawings, cutting the steel plates. It can be working 24 hours per day, so it improves our production capacity. Okay, here this tall equipment. You know what is automatic feeding machine to feed the steel plate into the automatic laser cutting machine. Okay, let's go. So the first process is the laser cutting. After laser cutting, we have to use the punching machine to punch the steel plates. You can see this is the German brand True Punch 1000 model. It's also an automatic punching machine. Also can be used 24 hours per day. This machine can improve our FFU production capacity. Okay. We also have a touch screen here to upload our drawings here, and then this punching machine will finish the jobs automatically. Okay, let's go. In this big area, you will see we have the shelf storage cart to place our half-made materials, such as the ceiling bracket for the FFUs, and the door frames, the door panels. This is half-made materials. You can see without the door sweeper, without windows, we will finish the jobs inside of the assembling worker line. Okay, let's go. In this area, we call it the sheet metal production workshop. We have the welding process. We have the bending process here in this area. Please follow my step. We have a bending machine. It's also from German brand, the True Bend 1100 model. We use this machine to make the bending process. You can see now we are making the bending process here. Firstly, we have to use this touch screen to set the correct sizes we want the bend, and then after the data complete, this machine will give the accurate dimensions of the the corners. So now he's going to start doing the bending. Everyone, you can see how it is working. So for this one, he can do it only by himself. For large size, the steel plates, we will have to use two people to finish the job. So except for this bending machine, we have another 3 old machines in this area. We moved from the old factory to here. We have used these 3 bending machines for 16 years. Okay, let's go. So these 3 bending machines have served for DERSION for 16 years. Okay, so we can accept the large size clean room orders because we have the enough production capacity here. And after introducing the bending process, let's see the welding area. In this area, we do the welding, polishing. So this area we do the polishing. We have the stainless steel which need to be polished. We can use the polishing machine to do the polishing and the welding process all in this assembly line. Okay. Okay, let's go. Now we are welding this door frame. Okay, don't use your eyes to look at it directly. Okay, this is the welding process of the door handle. Okay, and we use the grinding machine to remove the small curves. Okay, let's go. Here you can there is a S-shaped shoe changing machine. We are welding this steel plate here. There's another one. We are using the welding process to weld all the round corners. And after welding all the corners, we will use the polishing machine to polish the surfaces so it looks like a mirror and beautiful. Okay, let's go. Here is another machine we bought 2 years ago. This machine is called the stress machine. We use the power of this machine to press the door panels. So this door panel will have more stronger structure and more durable during the working life. Okay. Okay, let's go. So in this area, we storage the half-made door panels, the FFU bracket, and also we storage the air shower bodies, the FFU, here in this storage area. Okay, and there's another area. We call it the assembling workshop. This is the hardware warehouse here. We storage our hardwares. And we have a PVC roll-up door for the cargo entrance from into the assembling workshop. We have a control panel to open this door. Okay, let's go. So this is also an interlocked area because this is a clean room, but now it is only for exhibition to our customers. So let's go. We have 3 assembly lines in this workshop. This is the first one. with the conveyor, we assembling the FFU and air shower. Now you can see we're assembling this air shower. This is the air shower body. So we install the frame, the panel, the air nozzles, the filters inside, and here is the fan, the blower. Also, we call it blower. Inside of the air shower body. So this is an automatic assembly line. Every conveyor has the different function. When we conveyor this air shower body, at the end of the line, we finish all the jobs. Now, you can see this air shower body. We'll assemble the control board. We're doing the wirings, and then after that, we will tilt it. With this machine, we can tilt and make it stand here in this area, and finally, we assemble the air shower bodies as a complete product. Okay. So this is the first line. We have 2 more lines here. This is the second assembly line. We assemble the doors, the clean bench, and the pass box in this area. And the third assembly line, also for the doors, the roll-up doors, and the PVC materials. Okay, let's go. So we DERSION produced the PVC roll-up doors by ourselves. You can see the PVC doors here. We have different colors. Usually we choose the yellow color, but we also can customize blue color, red color, the gray color. You can see we have different colors to choose from. So we have normal colors here, but if you want to customize other colors, we can also purchase from it, but we have to ensure the MOQ. And in this area, there's a stainless steel pass box and the painted steel type pass box. And this pass box is nearly finished. We are making the final assemblies of the control board. Okay. So in this workshop, we have 3 assembly lines to assemble our FFU, the clean room equipment, and then we put the ready-made products to the delivery area. Okay, let's go. So we get out from the PVC roll-up door here at the very back of the assembly workshop. This is our storage area. The doors, the windows are stored in this area, and we have the warehouse outside of our workshop with storage, the ready-made cargoes such as the sandwich panels, the air shower, the FFU, the filters, and the PVC roll-up doors, and also this is the clean room, combing board, storage on the shelves, and also we have the wooden box. We can export to different countries, right? And we can make customize the wooden boxes for the export purpose. And finally, you can see we're loading the cargo into this truck. It's a long truck, so usually our cargo is pretty large and heavy. So we use the forklift to load the pallet onto the truck or containers. Usually for a clean room, we will have to book the 50 size containers for the sea shipping to different countries. Generally, we use the pallet and the PVC films to protect the packages from raining. And for some customers, we will use wooden box to protect the materials from collisions during the transportation. Okay. And we have another building besides this this warehouse. In this building, we will storage our customers' materials. For some of our VIP customers, we can even storage the materials for them for 1 month. So it's free service. Okay, that's all about our company introduction and our production and our delivery. Thank you. Okay, this is a road between the two manufacturing buildings of DERSION. It's a long road, and we can get back to the front of our factory. Now we're back to the front of our factory. So thanks for watching our video, and thanks for visiting DERSION company. See you next time.